Hello students, welcome, and in this video we will discuss IELTS speaking part 1. The topic would be helping others. So the first question is, how do you help others? I try to help people around me in a variety of ways. For instance, if a friend or classmate is struggling with a subject, I'm always happy to help them study, explain concepts, or even just offer a listening ear. Listening ear, listen to their problems. Okay, what concept they cannot understand. Also, I try to be a good listener and offer support and encouragement to my friends and family whenever they are going through a tough time. Okay. The second question is, do your parents teach you how to help others? Absolutely. My parents are fantastic role models when it comes to helping others. They are always involved in the community, volunteering for various causes, and instilled, inculcated, instilled that same spirit of giving back in me. Okay. Third question is, did your parents help you a lot when you were young? Yes, without a doubt. My parents are my biggest supporters growing up. They were always there for me, offering help with schoolwork and cheering me on in all my journeys. I feel incredibly lucky to have them in my life. The fourth and the last question is, what have you done to help the elderly? Okay, you can say, I volunteer at a local senior center where I spend quality time with the residents. We do all sorts of activities together, from playing games and reading books to doing arts and crafts. Okay? It's wonderful to bring some joy and companionship into their lives. Okay? So this was IELTS speaking part 1. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button